Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be giving you reasons why Fetch AI needs to continue holding above the significant area of support at around the $0.299 mark. And at the time of this recording, you can easily see that Fetch AI has given us a break above the 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart. We continued pushing higher, breaking above resistance at around the $0.299 mark. And in the next coming hours, I'm watching out to see whether we are going to get a successful retest of that key area of support before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. And we also need to have in mind that in case the retest is not a success over here, and we lose that significant area of support and maybe get a retest, then we can expect further pullback to the significant area of support at around the $0.2555 mark, where we can get support and then get another massive bounce back to the upper side. Fetch AI also continues to obey the Elliot wave structures, which continue pointing that we are going to continue seeing higher prices here on the Fetch AI chart. And by first giving you my long-term Elliot wave analysis on the Fetch AI chart, you can see that back in 2022 November, we saw our lows at around the $0.0525 mark before we saw this massive bounce, giving us all-time highs above the $0.6 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, where we had been seeing a bit of a pullback in this ABC corrective structure. And since we have fully maximized the minimum target areas for the second wave, there are high chances that in the next coming hours, maybe days or maybe months, we are going to continue getting impulsive in the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And there are chances that whatever we are seeing is the start of that Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of a wave 3, I'm expecting Fetch AI to give me a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3. And here on the charts, you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, where I'm terming this as the formation of that wave 1, a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the time of this recording is the start of an impulse in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And in my past videos, I have been giving you target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me minimum target areas for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.383 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fetch AI to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for that to play out, we need to continue holding above support at around the $0.29 mark, maybe get a retest and then continue gearing up. And in case we lose that key area of support, then we need to continue holding above the $0.255 mark. And as long as we hold above that, we can still expect higher in the formation of that wave 3. And a break above that is below the $0.255 mark, then that might give us a reset of the lows that we made at around the $0.019 mark here on the Fetch AI chart. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you. And if it was, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership.